He's a brother boy from Malaysia. He's the director of Brahma Kumaris, Malaysia.
Yeah, I'm happy. This morning I attended the Chief Minister's meeting of this to brief all the organisation about yoga. I think the government giving a lot of support to this program. So I think we as the citizens and we from the NGO, from all organizations should support the government fully. So I think it's important because when the government support this program, International Day of Yoga program, and then the public will come forward. So I think the public should fully support this program. Every year on the 21st of June, we have this International Yoga Day. They should come out, families should come together, the children should come together, parents should come together to fully support this program. And this program is not only on 21st June, but every day we should have yoga, because yoga is important because just like physical exercise, we do exercise every day, but we have to do this mental exercise. So hatha yoga and meditation is a mental exercise. When your body is healthy, but mind should be healthy, and the mind to be healthy, we need yoga. Yoga makes the mind healthy. So we have body healthy, mind healthy, and then we lead a peaceful life, happy and peaceful life.
So how is the response in Malaysia for the yoga?
Okay. Well, I think response is good. I think every year 21st of June we take part in this. So all organizations throughout Malaysia, we on the 21st of June, that is I think not Thursday or Friday, I think 21st of June, where we call the public to come to a venue, whether in our ashram in Brahma Kumari or whether in a public place, we have yoga together. So we have a demonstration of hatha yoga, simple exercise, and we end with the Raj Yoga meditation. So Brahma Kumari is conducting the Raj Yoga to make you physically, hatha yoga physically fit. So we need mental yoga. That's where Brahma Kumaris come in help very much to make the mind peaceful. The Atma peaceful, the mind peaceful. When Atma is peaceful, mind is peaceful, the body will be peaceful and healthy.